You need to go along with promotion. Use everything from social media posts to blogs to emails to give yourself as much of a chance as possible to let people know about your webinar. Send your emails midweek. Obviously, Saturday and Sunday are terrible days for promotional emails, much fewer webinars. Record and replay your webinars for best results. It is a fact that people from all over the world want to watch your webinars, but can only do so when it is convenient depending on their time zone. Wrapping up, as it turns out, webinars might just be the new blogs. Keep in mind, though, that webinars are gradually experiencing a revolution of their own. Therefore, if you happen to be a newbie, it is a good idea to turn to us, Surya Communications, as we are experts in the matter. In fact, webinars and other virtual events have been an important part of our communication strategy. We host our very own knowledge enhancing webinars, Surya Talks, where experts from different industries share their valuable insights and knowledge on various interesting topics. Get in touch with us to become a part of Surya Talks, or if you're interested in hosting your own webinar, email us or visit our website www.suryacommunications.com. Thank you. Namaste.